Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurhayati. I would like to tell you, sir, about my presentation. The topic is negotiation skill. First, defining negotiation. Negotiation is a process which takes place when two or more interdependent parties who have different needs and goals work together to find a mutually acceptable and beneficial outcome. According to the Oxford Dictionary, negotiation is a way of reaching an agreement through formal discussion. Second, the main objective of the negotiation. The main objective of the negotiation is to get an agreement that is considered mutually beneficial, to solve problems and to find solutions to every problem experienced by the negotiation parties, and to obtain mutually beneficial conditions for each negotiating party. Third, how negotiation work. Negotiation involves two or more parties who come together to reach some end goals through compromise or resolution that is agreeable to all those involved. So, negotiation work like participation learn as much as possible about the other party's position before a negotiation begins, including what the strengths and weaknesses of that position are, how to prepare to define their position, and any counter-argument the other party will likely make, and about the time it takes for negotiation can take as little as a few minutes or in more complex cases, much longer.
How to negotiation. 1. Tough guys don't win. Good negotiation create a deal that both parties feel good about win-win, not out to win. There have been many studies showing the benefit of a win-win attitude, including game theory. Perhaps more importantly, your reputation will be far greater if you negotiate fairly and with respect. 2. Listen. The key to successful negotiation is truly understanding the other party's want, need, and motivation. You can only do this by listening and drawing out information from what they tell you. 3. Coinage. Coinage is something that means a lot to the other parties and not that much to you. Finding out the other party's motivation can allow you to keep coinage for the latter part of negotiation. 4. Preparation. Fail to prepare and prepare to fail. Coordinated negotiation is key, especially if you are in a team. Then you all need to make sure that you are on the same page. If you are by yourself, you need to be clear on what your alternative. 5. Set the scenes. Surrounding and climate make a difference to negotiation. Choose the venue carefully as it will reflect how the negotiation may play out. 6. Set the tone. At the beginning of a formal negotiation, you should set out the terms of engagement. 7. Bargaining power. Bargaining power comes in many forms and you may often have more of it than you think. It is key to understand where your strengths and weaknesses lie. 8. Some deals just don't work. Some negotiation may hit a brick wall. It may be a good idea to take a break and regroup, or to be open and discuss the impasse frankly. 9. Enjoy it. Negotiation can be tense, drawn out, and stressful. Learn how to turn it into an enjoyable experience and everyone will be thankful. 10. Remember win-win. If there is any tip to take home, it is win-win. Negotiating is about getting a good deal. Are negotiation important? Of course important. Negotiating people is finding an agreement both parties have fairly and can meet the expectations and desires of both parties. In the other words, the result of the negotiation is an agreement that benefits both parties. When negotiation doesn't work, even the best negotiator has difficult at some point or another to make things work. After all, the process requires some give and take. Perhaps one party just won't back and doesn't want to give in at all. There could be other issues that stall the negotiation process, including a lack of communication, some sense of fear, or even a lack of trust between parties. These obstacles can lead to frustration and, in some cases, anger. The negotiation may turn sour and ultimately lead parties to argue with one another. When this happens, the best thing the parties can do is to walk away. Taking yourself out of the equation gives everyone involved a chance to regroup, and it may help both of you come back to the bargaining table with a full and fresh mind. I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.